Wondering if the health insurance portal app is worth using in 2025? Here's my honest review. The app is built to help you compare health insurance plans from different providers all in one place. In 2025, it's more streamlined. Just enter your basic info and you'll get a side by side comparison of prices, deductibles, and coverage levels. One standout feature is the eligibility check. It tells you if you qualify for subsidies or state programs without having to dig through government sites. Super helpful if you're self employed or switching plans. You can apply it directly through the app and it saves your info for renewals, so no retyping every year. There's also live chat support option, which is a major plus if you got questions during enrollment. The downside is it still doesn't offer full plan management once you have enrolled. It's more of a front end tool to help you choose, not maintain your coverage. But for comparing and enrolling in the right plan quickly, Health Insurance Portal does a job. So if this helped, like and subscribe and comment which insurance app you want to review next. And if anything there's for us in the future that you want us to make a video about, well, just drop a comment in the comment section and we'll get back to you.